All right, let's see if this is actually a good dog crate to put in the back of a car. We're gonna assemble it here. It is collapsible, and let's go ahead and assemble it. All right, so these do lay completely flat, so they're easy to transport. When you're ready to assemble them, just pull on the side or the top, and then it will actually give you the right side, the top, then you can pull out the left side, you can pull up the back, and then finally you can pull up the front. Now each of these are locking into place, as you can see. If they don't lock into place, then you'll have to go back and make sure that they line up properly like we're doing here. Overall, super simple, not a very difficult process at all, and one that in terms of dog cages is, in my opinion, pretty easy compared to many other dog cages that I put together before in the past. So it took about 20 to 30 seconds to assemble. Pretty standard overall. You just gotta make sure all of these click into place. So you'll see different clips along the way. Like here, make sure that that gets locked in. It is not extremely heavy, but definitely not light either. It also has a hard plastic bottom like you can see here. Unfortunately, it did not fit in the back of our car. It's fairly large, so we're gonna have to get a different size, but we're gonna keep this as a spare.